Hey friends, if you wish to stop random USB connection or disconnection sounds on your PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, reattach all the USB devices properly because at times when the connection is loose, it keeps connecting and disconnecting, thus causing the sound. Otherwise, there's no reason for the sound. The next one is to manage the drivers and rather update them. Search for device manager in the window search bar and open a device manager window. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on USB root hub and update it. And similarly, update all of them. And once this is done, the last solution will be to turn on USB notification sounds. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, select notifications, expand for notifications. There's an option which says allow notifications to play sounds. Uncheck it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.